Hey guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you guys get notified for future content, because content is always good over here. As you can tell by the title of the video, we have a very exciting unboxing. I have two really cool bags to unbox in today's video that are right now sold out literally everywhere, very hard to get. And then I also have just a few like random items that I also decided to pick up. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias and everything. And I'll link two previous little designer unboxings that I just did on my channel. I'll link them down below for you guys to watch. Also, this is a little bit of a new background, so if you guys like it, let me know. But if not, also let me know, because I want to make sure whatever I film behind looks good and you guys like. So if you don't like it, it won't hurt my feelings. Just let me know. I don't know. You can't even see my bug. I could move it. Does that look good? I'm just gonna leave it like that so I have a little bit of color in the background. I think I'm gonna start by unboxing the two bags that you probably came here to see. So to sum up these two bags, I didn't even know that these were releasing. They honestly were just a very random release in the new collection. So if you are someone that keeps up with the kind of fashion designer world, Louis Vuitton just dropped the new spring into the city collection. And as everyone probably thought, everything was released, but no, there are a few extra items that just randomly got released yesterday, which yesterday was the April 8th. And anyways, my Tampa International store got two of these bags in. My amazing, I don't even know what I would call her, like client advisor, Heba, put these on hold for me immediately. Didn't even tell me about them until I got there. So I'm very excited about these. I don't know which is which, so I'm just gonna open one. Okay, here is the first one. So the style of this bag is right here. There are two colors of this bag. This one is the Midnight Fuchsia bag, and it has pink ombre with a light lilac purple, and then it goes into a dark purple / dark navy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. At first when I saw this bag, I thought it was chuggy, I thought it looked cheap, and I thought it looked like fake designer. But I was definitely wrong. Last year, the whole collection for the springtime was a collection that not a lot of people really enjoyed, and then now all those pieces are selling for triple the price. So I thought that was super cool that actually this is gonna be worth a lot more down the road, just because it really is a unique art piece. And I don't have any Louis Vuitton bag that is this style, which is the Papillon or Papillion BB. But if you thought it was just the bag, you were wrong. We've got a few accessories that go with it. So the accessory is going to be the strap, and with the strap you also get this little pochette accessory. The strap is going to be like a dark navy blue. It's really gorgeous. I love that in this bag I kind of have three parts to it, so I can wear this bag alone, I can wear it with the strap across my chest, and I can also use this as a little coin purse in another bag. I really did heavily debate buying this bag because I just didn't want it to look aged, but this really is a unique piece, and it's not something that everyone is going to love. I feel like a lot of people are going to call it childish, which I can see it, and your opinions are valid. Like, I was literally questioning the purchase of this bag, but I bought it for the reason that it is very unique, and I love unique pieces like this. Like, designer is art to me, and so this is just an art piece that is beautiful, and I actually now have fallen in love with this bag, so that's fun. Side note, if you guys have never tried the Poppy Doc Pop, it tastes like a healthy Dr. Pepper, and it's so good. It really helps my stomach a lot. Cheers. It's a super cute bag, it's very mini, and it honestly is going to be a great pop to an outfit. But like I said, not everyone's gonna like that, and that is a-okay. But Tampa International had two, and I got both, and you're gonna see the other color scheme in just a moment. Yay! So this one is going to end up being my mom's because this is way more her style. This one is more my style, and it is called Sunrise Pastel. So just kind of think of that in a purse, and then you're gonna be like, okay, that makes sense. And here we are. This one really did call my name. So at first she only showed me this one and said that she had another one and she was gonna go get it out of the back. And then I was like, okay, cool. Like, I really do like that one. It's not bad. I don't love it, but it's not bad. And then she said, stop, but I'm just so excited I can't speak. She brought this one out and I was like, oh my gosh, this one is way more my style. So I decided to get this one for myself, and that one is gonna be a gift to my mom. So this one has a really pretty pastel kind of aura to it. It has got a lot of fun things going on. You have that really pretty, beautiful neon purple, and then it has a beautiful like ombre light blue, and it's just a really nice, soft looking purse. And of course, it has all of the accessories that bag came with. The strap for this bag is going to be like a very light, almost mint beige color, and then it has the little pochette accessory as well, which also can be used as a coin purse. Here are the two side by side so you guys can get a good look at it and see which one you like better, or if you don't like either of them at all. You know, they're different. They're very different. And they did grow on me after, you know, researching them and looking at them and just kind of looking at the whole design aspect of this bag, why it was created, why does it look like this. And it made me fall in love with the bag because I absolutely love more of the design process and the reason behind the bag versus the actual material item itself, if that makes sense. My main purchase point for really anything is, what is the meaning behind this bag? Why was it created? Who created it? What is the detail, history behind it? And I just really love this one, and I really thought it spoke for a fun spring and a fun summer. These are also very year-round for me because I live in Florida, so it's always bright and fun out and I can always pop these on me. So cute. All right, so next up, I'm not sure exactly what this is, but I have a feeling it is another piece to the whole pastel collection that I purchased. Was I right? Oh no, I was wrong. That's okay. This is something that I still, I guess, wanted to show you guys. I just got a little cosmetic pouch just for travel and to keep my makeup in and stuff. My mom has been looking at this for a hot minute, and so we just decided to get two. So hers is being shipped on the way to her, but a little cosmetic pouch. Now I think this next one is gonna be a part of the pastel. Stepping up, y'all. We're getting through it. This feels way more like it. This is actually not even online, and then these two bags that I just showed you guys, they are online, but they are completely out of stock. You can't really get them absolutely anywhere, and it is very unlikely that they will restock. This one is a fun one. So it is a cute little like going out little moment, holding it like this for like a dinner moment. But if you thought it was just one bag, I got you. It's not one bag, and it's not two. It's three. So these are the three kind of looks that just came out for this kind of collection, three of like the colored prints. So you have this sunrise pastel, the midnight fuchsia, and this is going to be the khaki and white kind of one. I do have the little Speedy in this color on the way to me because I just thought it was so fun. I'm just like staring at it. These are just great little items. You can put like lip gloss in here, and they're like compartments that you can keep in your purse, or you can totally use these as like a little clutch to go out and go to dinner if you don't want anything crazy on you. These are just great little moments. I think my favorite one out of all three of them is going to be this one. All right, you guys, we're on to the last two items. I really wanted to do this video mainly based on those two bags, so this is just kind of like extra content that I'm just allowing to happen because I want to show you guys everything. You guys are like my besties, so showing you guys all the stuff I get is just fun for me. I feel like I actually have friends. Alright, so this is another headscarf that was purchased, and it's not just a headscarf, it's kind of just a scarf for a lot of things. But I wear these absolutely literally all the time, and so I always like to have a few in my rotation. So this one, I'm going to share it with my mom because this one is a little bit more her style, and the next one you'll see is more my style. So if you guys watched my Louis Vuitton Alma like haul, I also got this, but I got it in a different color scheme to match my dragon fruit Alma BB. And so this is like the same print. It says LV trunks on it, but it is just a different kind of color scheme. Gotta fold it back up nicely because this is gonna be shared with my mama. And this next one is fully mine because it is way more my style and my vibe. So this one is actually a perfect match for my sunrise pastel bag that I'm going to keep. Look at her. You guys, this one is so fun. It's got all these same exact colors that are on that bag. I wear these for so many reasons. There are a lot of ways you can wear these little scarves. Just look at all the fun stuff on it. All of those beautiful colors and fun little prints. You got the sneakers up there, the belt, the scrunchies, you got the polo, you got the perfume, the sandals, the bathing suit. You literally have everything on this scarf. One way that I like really enjoy wearing it, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it on camera because I get so nervous filming sometimes. Nope. Alright guys, I physically can't do it on camera. I have to have a really big mirror when I put head stuff on my head because I am not talented with hair at all. But yeah, you can see that these match super well and very perfectly. Alright guys, that is it for today's unboxing. This was a lot of stuff, but I really just mainly wanted to show you guys these really two beautiful purses that just launched in the Spring in the City collection. If you can get your hands on it, please let me know. That is the most exciting thing ever because they are beautiful purses. They really are a work of art and they are so unique and they are only going to get better in value. Alright, so my quote of the day is, don't be afraid to fail, be afraid to not try. If you don't try, you don't know how you're gonna do. You know, like if you don't try for something that you want and you're just sitting there wishing you would try, you don't know the outcome. The outcome could literally be amazing. So my advice for you today is to never be fearful of the next step and what kind of step you're going to take. I think it's so important to have confidence in yourself and surround yourself with people who gives you confidence. That is like the best thing I could ever tell you guys. I love y'all so much. I hope I see you guys in my very next video. Let me know what content you want next because I'm always up to doing whatever you guys want to see. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon. I'm gonna finish drinking my little Doc Pop. So good. Bye. Mwah.